again. Every step feels out of time, like your shadow follows mine. I'm slow dancing with memories, holding ghosts that used to be. Every touch I can't forget. I'm not over you just yet. Candlelight in empty space, I still see your smiling face. Every room still knows your name. Nothing here feels quite the same. I'm slow dancing with memories, holding ghosts that used to be. Every touch I can't forget. I'm not over you just yet. If time could rewind the night, I'd love you just a little, right? But the past won't set me free, so I dance with memories till the music fades away. I'm slow dancing anyway. Moonlight on your tired eyes, feels like one last sweet goodbye. Clock keeps ticking way too loud. Say you'll stay, don't leave me now. Stay a little longer, baby, hold me like you used to do. One more night to feel your love before I wake up without you. Your hand slowly slips from mine, running out of borrowed time. Every second hurts to breathe, knowing soon you'll have to leave. Stay a little longer, babe, hold me like you used to do. One more night to feel your love before I wake up without you. If this moment's all we get, I love you with no regret. Even if thoughts are getting way too deep. Every lie I try to hide falls apart when you're in my mind. These late night confessions say I still want you here. Every word I never said sounds louder when you're not near. I pretend that I'm okay, but my heart don't feel the same. Every smile feels so fake without you here to stay. These late night confessions say I still want you here. Still want you here. Every word I never said sounds louder when you're not near. If honesty could bring you back, I'd tell you all the truth I lack. No more running from the fear, so I whisper to the dark. Late night confessions of my heart. Rain keeps falling on my skin, just like tears I'm holding in. Every street reminds me why I still love you, can't deny. I hear your name in the rain. Every drop feels like the pain calling out, but you're not here. Just your voice I keep so near. Neon lights another night, trying hard to feel alright, but my heart keeps calling you, even when I know we're through. I hear your name in the rain. Every drop feels like the pain calling out, but you're not here. Just your voice I keep so near. If the storm will wash away all the things I couldn't say, maybe then I feel okay. Till then I stand and wait. Hearing your name in the rain. Hearing your name in the rain. City lights are fading slow. Another night I'm all alone. Your perfume still on my clothes. Even when you're gone, you know only thought I had. I keep calling out your name. In the dark it feels the same. Phone lights up but it's not you. Same old pain, same old truth. I replay the things we said. Every word still in my head. Midnight on my mind. Yeah, the midnight on my mind. I keep calling out your name. In the dark it feels the same. If love is a game I lose, I still play it all for you. Even broken, even weak, you're the air I still breathe. When the morning starts to shine, you're still the midnight on my mind. I've been down this road before, trying hard to love some more. Every sky you didn't see is the price of loving me. I'm broken, but still yours, even shattered, even torn. If you want this heart tonight, I love you through the fight. I don't come without the pain. I don't promise easy days, but my love is always true. Every piece belongs to you. Broken, but still yours, but still yours. I'm even shattered, even torn, even torn. If you want this heart tonight, I love you through the fight. Oh, take my flaws, take my fears, all my nights, all my tears. I won't hide who I am. Broken, bruised, but standing tall, still yours through it all. Silence fills the empty room, echoes of me loving you. Every promise fell apart, left me here with half a heart. After the love is gone, tell me where my soul pictures lying on the floor. I don't know you anymore. I tried holding on so tight, but love slipped out of sight. After the love is gone, tell me where my soul belongs. I gave you everything I had. Now I'm lost in what we had. If loving you was wrong, I still do it all alone. Even pain feels like a song. After the love is gone, I'm learning how to breathe alone. After the love is soft rain on the window pane. Your song plays, it hurts again. Every step feels out of time, like your shadow follows mine. I'm slow dancing with memories, holding ghosts that used to be. Every touch I can't forget. I'm not over you just yet. Candlelight in empty space, I still see your smiling face. Every room still knows your name. Nothing here feels quite the same. I'm slow dancing with memories, holding ghosts that used to be. Every touch I can't forget. I'm not over you just yet. If time could rewind, slowly slips from mine. Running out of borrowed time. Every second hurts to breathe, knowing soon you'll have to leave. If this moment's all we get, I love you with no regret, even if it breaks me too. Sunrise comes a little closer, but I wish you'd stay a little longer. And I can't sleep. Truths are getting way too deep. Every lie I try to hide falls apart when you're in my mind. These late night confessions say I still want you here. Every word I never said sounds louder when you're not near. I pretend that I'm okay, but my heart don't feel the same. Every smile feels so fake without you here to stay. These late night confessions say I still want you here. Still want you here. Every word I never said sounds louder when you're not near. If honesty could bring you back, I'd tell you all the truth I lack. No more running from the fear, so I whisper to the dark. Late night confessions of my heart. Rain keeps falling on my skin, just like tears I'm holding in. Every street reminds me why I still love you, can't deny. I hear your name in the rain. Every drop feels like the pain calling out, but you're not here. Just your voice I keep so near. Neon lights, another night, trying hard to feel alright, but my heart keeps calling you, even when I know it's rude. I hear your name in the rain, every drop feels like the pain calling out, but you're not here. Just your voice I keep so near. If the storm will wash away all the things I couldn't say, maybe then I feel okay. Till then I stand and wait. Hearing your name in the rain, hearing your name in the rain. City lights are fading slow. Another night I'm all alone. Your perfume still on my clothes. Even when you're gone, you know you're the midnight on my mind. Every lonely thought I had, I keep calling out your name. In the dark it feels the same. Phone lights up but it's not you. Same old pain, same old truth. I replay the things we said, every word still in my head. Midnight on my mind, the midnight on my mind. I keep calling out your name. In the dark it feels the same. If love is a game I lose, I still play it all for you. Even broken, even weak, you're the air I still breathe. When the morning starts to shine, you're still the midnight on my mind. I've been down this road before, trying hard to love some more. Every sky you didn't see is the price of loving me. I'm broken, but still yours, even shattered, even torn. If you want this heart tonight, I love you through the fight. on without the pain. I don't promise easy days, but my love is always true. Every piece belongs to you. Broken, but still yours. I'm even shattered, even torn. If you want this heart tonight, I'll love you through the fight. Oh, take my flaws, take my fears, all my nights, all my tears. I won't hide who I am. Broken, bruised, but standing tall, still yours through it all. Silence fills the empty room, echoes of me loving you. Every promise fell apart, left me here with half a heart. After the love is gone, tell me where my soul belongs. I gave you everything,